Hello friends, today we are going to read a poem from your English NCERT book, Unit number 5, Chapter 9, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. So let us read and enjoy the poem. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must be rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. In this stanza, the poet is asking the little one to not be afraid of the dark. So poet is saying that don't be afraid of the dark, little one. प्यारे बच्चे, तुम्हें अंधेरे से डरने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. The earth must be rest when the day is done. पृथ्वी जो है वो आराम करती है जब एक बार पूरा दिन जो है वो खत्म हो जाता है. The sun must be harsh. सूरज जो है वो निर्दयी हो सकता है. But moonlight never. मगर रात की चांदनी कभी भी निर्दयी नहीं होती. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. और वो तारे हमेशा जो है यूं ही आसमान में टिमटिमाते रहते हैं हमेशा.
So here the poet is advising the little one not to be afraid of the dark, of the night. Generally, the children are afraid of the night due to its darkness. The poet is saying that it is very important for night to come after a long day. It is very important for the sun to go down and let the moon rise, so that the earth can take the rest during the night time, and all the creatures living on the earth can take rest, can sleep. Further, the poet says that the sunlight is very bright, hot, shiny, and harsh. Whereas the moonlight is very cold and calm. The moonlight gives us calmness. We like the time we like to see the sky in the night time. But during the daytime, it is very hot, shiny, so we don't like to have a look over the sunlight. And in the night time, the stars keep on shining in the night sky to give us a hope that the darkness or the night will end with the sunrise. And these stars are sprinkling or twinkling in the sky to provide us, to give us a hope that this darkness, all this dark thing will end with the first ray of the sunshine.
Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Be friends with the night. In this stanza, the poet is saying that रात के अंधेरे से आप दोस्ती कर लीजिए, वो आपके मित्र हैं। There is nothing to fear. रात से डरने की कोई बात नहीं है। Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. जो भी आपके विचार हैं बस उनको फैलने दीजिए अपने दोस्तों को जो कि दूर या पास रहते हैं आपके। By day, it doesn't seem that our troubles won't cease. दिन के समय में हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी परेशानियां जो है हमें छोड़ती नहीं हैं, हमें जकड़े रखती हैं। But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. मगर रात के समय में हम अपनी सभी परेशानियों से, जल्दबाजियों से मुक्त होते हैं और हम आराम करते हैं। पूरा जो विश्व है, पूरा जो अर्थ है, वो आराम करती है।
So, in this stanza, the poet tells the little child that the night is friend to us and there is nothing to afraid of. In the morning time, our mind is busy with worries and hurries. But in the night time, it is peace and relax. Every creature, everything is at peace and relax. There is no worries and hurries. There is nothing to disturbing our mind. There is nothing we are running before it. We have to reach our office, school on time. There is nothing all that in the night time. So our mind is at peace and at relaxing position. So you can say that the night is friendlier than the daytime to us. So there is nothing to afraid of the darkness or the night. It is very calming and peace-loving and friendly time of the day. You can enjoy the night time. So that's all for this chapter, this poem. I hope you have must enjoyed the poem. Thank you for watching it.